Toyota's pre-collision system, or PCS, is an advanced safety technology designed to prevent forward collisions during normal driving conditions. The latest generation, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, represents a significant advancement in collision prevention technology with enhanced detection capabilities. PCS uses three core components working together: a millimeter wave radar sensor for long-range detection, a monocular camera system for visual recognition, and an electronic control unit that processes all the data. The system provides comprehensive detection coverage around the vehicle, monitoring for vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals in some markets. When PCS detects a potential collision, it responds with a three-stage process. First, providing audio and visual warnings, then enhancing braking force if the driver applies the brakes, and finally applying automatic emergency braking if collision is imminent. The effectiveness of PCS is proven through real-world data. Studies show the system reduces rear-end collisions by 40 to 50% and pedestrian fatalities by 20 to 30%, with false positive rates now below 2% in optimal conditions. Toyota's pre-collision system represents a significant advancement in automotive safety technology, providing comprehensive protection through intelligent detection and automated response systems that save lives every day. Parking Assist with Support Braking is Toyota's low-speed collision prevention system, designed specifically for parking maneuvers. This system uses multiple sensors and cameras to detect obstacles and prevent accidents during parking. The system consists of three main components: ultrasonic sensors positioned around the vehicle, front and rear cameras for visual detection, and an electronic control unit that processes all sensor data and controls the braking system. The detection range is typically 0.5 to 3 meters around the vehicle. The ultrasonic sensors can detect various obstacles, including other vehicles, walls, poles, and pedestrians within this range, providing comprehensive coverage during parking maneuvers. When obstacles are detected, the system provides a three-stage response. First, audio warnings with increasing frequency as you get closer. Second, visual alerts on the dashboard and backup camera display. Finally, if collision is imminent at speeds under 10 kilometers per hour, automatic emergency braking activates. Modern parking assist systems can handle three main types of parking scenarios: parallel parking along the street, perpendicular parking in standard spaces, and angled parking in diagonal spots. Some 2024 Toyota models even offer smartphone-controlled parking assistance. The effectiveness of Parking Assist is impressive. Studies show a 60 to 70% reduction in low-speed parking lot collisions for vehicles equipped with this system. This translates to significantly fewer property damage claims and safer parking experiences for drivers. In the 2024 Toyota Camry, Parking Assist integrates seamlessly with the pre-collision system. Both systems share sensor data, improving overall reliability and providing complete 360-degree vehicle protection. This integration represents the future of automotive safety technology.